Okay guys, we're back for another unboxing, this time a 9 Realms Gaming Kickstarter. They did a Kickstarter for dice vaults of their own making, and we backed them, and we'll see how I do this by myself. The little boy is not happy, so I'm doing this by myself. Ooh, awesome sticker. That'll go on my sticker wall. How cool. Thank you guys for the thank you letter. SkullSpliter. I don't remember what they join list discount. I don't remember what this is. I'm sure that was an add-on or a bonus for achievement. Yeah, and you're right. That's 8. Okay, let's see how we do this. Oh, I'm not doing this single-handedly. Hang on, guys. I'll be right back. I need to cut these so that I can keep filming by myself. Okay, while I did that, I also took a moment to look. These are SkullSpliter Dice, and I apologize. I do not know what kind of dice these are. They're gray with gold. Really, they're substantially heavy, so that's the best I know. Maybe if 9 Mile sees this or SkullSpliter sees this, they'll tell us what these are. But I apologize, I don't know. Okay, so this is gonna get fun. I didn't research what woods I ordered, so I can't tell you probably easily. Captain Obvious here. This is Purpleheart. We love our Purpleheart. We love Purpleheart wood. As you can see, the magnet holds well, but it does slide back and forth. There's a lot of room for sliding back and forth. There is no finger locks for me to put my fingers into to try to open. Kids, don't do this at home by yourself. Make sure you have 2 hands, not 1 hand. There we go. So you can see how they're using the shapes to hold everything in place, and then they're using 2 magnets, and they're using the internal screw magnets, just like Wormwood recommends on one of their last videos they had done, where they were checking out their competitor stuff. And sadly from here, guys, I don't know. I know that I've got, in the description I'll have what all the woods are. I just can't tell you which one's which. A, because I don't have that resource on me right now. Not when I'm trying to record. Okay, so I'm going to quit trying to open these. So here we go. Maybe salted maple? Hashtag don't make guesses when you don't know. Is this the tiger or striped something? I'm thinking. Oh, I want more of that yellow, man. Bummer. Love more of that yellow going through this. No, we do not have enough dice sets for these 8 boxes, let alone the boxes we have sitting at home. Look at that. Beautiful wood. But we do have some lovely sets coming from Wormwood's Kickstarter Dice. Kickstarter. Ooh, that's really lightweight. Ooh, that's the cedar. Oh, that's red cedar. Love that smell. Love that grain. That's beautiful. And dear God, man, I can throw that thing across the house and never realized I dropped it compared to some of these woods. Beautiful, guys. Wow, this one's a beast. Heavy as all get out, sort of like that. Purpleheart was. Yeah, just beautiful. Thank you, Nine Realm Games, for this lovely Kickstarter. Those are just lovely dice boxes, and thank you for the lovely dice set. We really appreciate it. And if you want to know my favorite knives, Kershaw. Best place to get a knife. Thank you all.